Hi, so this video is pretty useful. It's about all the questions we use, the most common one. Let's take a look. Okay, why?
點解?
Okay, you notice it's two high rising second tone. 點解? So when you pronounce it, you can do it like this. 點, your head move. 解. And then the AAR is a long sound. 點解? So 點 is how. 解 is explain. How to explain is 點解. I also make some video in the listening exercise. You have more practice on it, more sample sentence. Okay, next one is what.
乜嘢?
乜嘢?
乜嘢? 乜嘢?
So 乜嘢, the second word means stuff. What? Stuff. 乜嘢? Then the first word is 乜 is what? 乜嘢? And then if you want to have a shorter form, it's咩.咩. A short form of what? 咩. 咩係 what is. 乜嘢係 is what is as well. So this is longer, this is shorter. They just mix together, you know. Okay, 乜嘢咩. Let's see some sentence.
你點解去啊? 你點解去啊?
點解去 why go. 你點解去 why you go. We always put the subject in the front, not the other places. 你點解去啊? 點解去啊? Why go? You why go? From the Patreon, get the PDF, this PowerPoint. Okay. What is it? What is it?
呢個係乜嘢啊? 呢個係乜嘢啊? 呢個係乜嘢啊?
呢個 the that this it this 呢個 this 係 is this is what 係乜嘢?
呢個係乜嘢啊?
So you're curious about something, an object, then you can say, oh, 呢個係乜嘢? What is it? What is it? Okay, so next slide. All right, so we learn more. So 邊 is really useful. Really useful question word. 邊個 is who. 邊個 is which. Like the first one is 邊個 is for person. The second one is for subject, things. 邊個 they are both 邊個. And then 邊度 is the place, where, which place. Let's hear it.
邊個? 邊度? 邊度?
Yes, 邊度?
你係邊個啊?
Who are you?
你係邊個啊? 你係邊個啊?
So see the question words is in the end of the sentence.
邊個好啲啊? 邊個好啲啊?
So in this case, it's changed to from a person to a thing. So which is better? Which is better? 邊個好啲啊? D is ER better. You know, better. 好 is just good. And then 好啲 is better. 邊個好啲啊? Which one is better?
邊個好啲啊?
Okay, so the last sentence, where? So it's 邊度, right? And then you live in where? 你
住喺邊度啊?
係啦，你住喺邊度啊?
你住喺邊度啊?
你住喺邊度啊? Okay, 邊度 in the end of the sentence as well. Okay, so then this is the dialogue that we have. Alright, so this dialogue we will put in the next video. Alright, and there's some dialogue, and then the last one is how many, 幾多幾耐幾時 when what time. Alright, see you in the next video.